Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily unblock a contact on TikTok. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So let's get started guys. So first of all, open up the TikTok app, and for example I will block a random contact like by opening its profile, and then you will have to tap on share button on the top right corner and then simply tap on block and then hit block. Now the first way to unblock this account is to simply tap on unblock button whenever you'll visit their profile, and you'll be able to easily unblock them. But if you don't know what's their profile, you can go to your profile on the bottom right and then hit on three lines on the top right corner, and then tap on settings and privacy. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on privacy, that is the second option, and you'll have to scroll down to the end, and right on the bottom you'll be able to find an option of blocked accounts. You'll have to tap on it, and right here you'll be able to find all the contacts that you blocked on TikTok app. Even if you have blocked them years ago or 6 months ago or whatever, and if you want to unblock them, all you'll have to do is to tap on unblock. Now you can see that the account is unblocked successfully. I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the